It's summertime. Here we are in the employee vegetable garden. I love it. We have decided to do our own vegetable garden here. And yes, we have the same problems that you guys have. Look at the fence. Look at our cucumbers nibbled down to the nose. So, cucumbers can be grown on the ground to ramble, kind of like these. These are going to start going crazy. Or you can train them to kind of go up on a stake. And a good reason why you want to do this is it kind of prevents any disease if they're laying on the ground, okay? A little stretch tie. And we've got a lot of pollinators in this garden. Marigolds, zinnias. We got some fun stuff going on, some black-eyed Susans. So you need the flowers to pollinate the flowers. Tomatoes will need to be kind of groomed a little bit. So you always want to kind of prune out the suckers and then tie them up as they grow. It's kind of like a trellising method. Keeps air flowing in between. And we're starting to do a little mulch today. Joey is mulching around our pepper plants.
Hi guys.
And it's also a good time, since your crops have been in the garden, is to do some fertilizer. So we've got a granule that will last for about a month, and this can be done every 2 weeks. Over here we've got our crop of beans. Beans can be seeded every couple of weeks, so we're going to do more beans. This is basil.
We got basil over here.
I love basil with tomato. This is our first check-in with the garden. We will show you how the harvest is going in a few more weeks. We've got mint to do mint tea here at work, so we're kind of having fun with it.